Hi, my name is Gitika. My claim is teenagers listen to music for an average of 2.5 hours per day, and the source is the New York Times. Null hypothesis at zero is the average time spent on listening to music by teenagers is 2.5 hours, and the alternative hypothesis H1 is the average time spent on listening to music by teenagers is not 2.5 hours. The sample size of the data I have collected is 35. From the data I have collected, I have found the mean using the formula average of V1 to V35. V1 and V35 are the columns of the columns on which my data are placed. And the next one is the standard deviation. Standard deviation is found using the formula of sample standard deviation of the above data. And the claim population mean is the mean from the claim. The test statistics is found using the t-test, and its value is minus 1.1569, and found using the formula f12 minus f14 divided by f13 by sqrt of f11, where f12 is mean, f14 is claim population mean, f13 is the standard deviation, and f11 is the sample size. We have used the t-test here because we don't have the population standard deviation with us. Next, using the statistic value, we have found the p-value. P-value is 0.872311, and the formula used is t dot dist dot rt of f15 comma f11 minus 1. F15 is test statistic value and f11 is a sample size. It is using the p-value and the significance level we come to the conclusion that whether the hypothesis is valid or not, the claim is valid or not. There is a significance level alpha, which is 0.05 because we have 95% confidence level, and the significance level is 1 minus 100 minus 95, which is 5. That's 5% significance level. And the margin of error E is found using the formula confidence dot norm F17, F13, F11. F17 is significance level, F13 is the standard deviation, and F11 is the sample size. The 95% confidence interval for population mean is 1.591684 less than mu less than 2.73403, where 1.59684 is the lower limit of the claimed population mean and is found using the formula F12 minus F18, where F12 is the mean and the F18 is the margin of error, and the upper limit 2.73 is found using the same but plus sign in between. And uh, coming to the conclusion, we find that p-value is greater than alpha and the mu lies in the given range. Therefore, the null hypothesis is accepted, and the claim I have brought in front of you, that is, the teenagers listen to music for an average of 2.5 hours, remains valid from the above hypothesis test. Thank you.